Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is again another tutorial video, and this video is again related to Shopee Pay. So for this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-add ng bank account. And when you add your bank account, you can easily withdraw your money from your seller balance or your Shopee Pay, especially if you have a big amount balance in your Shopee Pay. So all you need to do is to add a bank account. But before anything else, I would like to add some note. Remember that do not enter the credit card or debit card number details in the bank account detail field. Only enter the correct account number of your bank account. And then next, you need to take note, incorrect card bank numbers will be rejected or deleted by the system. And also you need to make sure that your bank account name and account number should match your bank records. And avoid the following special characters. Ano nga ba itong mga special characters? Ito yung equal sign, exclamation point, percent, and sign, asterisk, and some related signs. Okay? So, ito po yung sample ng debit card number in front of the card. So, hindi po yan ang iyong i-input doon sa details. Okay, let's get started on how you will add your bank account. Disclaimer before we will start: your card may not be similar to these examples as I presented, but you may also check your bank to know where you can locate your account number. Okay, first step. First, you need to tap tool gear icon on Me tab in the app. Of course, first thing you need to do is to pumunta lamang sa app. Okay, again, tap the tool gear icon in Me tab, then tap bank account or cards under account settings. And next, select add new bank account under bank accounts or card page. Next, a verification code will be sent via message or via SMS. Enter the verification code and then tap continue. After that, you need to enter the required details under add bank account, then tap next. Pagkatapos naman yan, your bank account is added successfully to your Shopee account, and that is very official. And that's it. And here are some of the list of the verified banks, and of course these are not really the official list, so there are a lot of banks added already with this. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and this is the actual way of how to do or how to add